I'm recording.
Yeah, that's the way this is playing. Look, which way?
He is coming this way.
Wow, they're like right overhead.
Guys, ain't that so amazing? If you like it, just like it. Look guys, look guys, look, look. Look at that. It's just flying above me. Look at this one. Guys, it's just flying above me. Guys, come on guys, let's just see it. Guys, it's flying.
Connor, look straight up. Over here.
That's another thing I hate, like when these are finished, because it's so hard to see that.
And guys, they might be coming back around. And look guys, if you see that, it's so amazing guys, this is so amazing.
Canadians also have jets here.
Huh?
They're prop jobs.
Guys, these planes are so cool. I'm in Latrobe. And they're doing stunts right now.
Yeah,
This one plane looked like it did a roller coaster.
What are we doing? Getting in the car and going fishing. I got your couple here.
Love you, Dad.
Get a car.
I'm going in
I
this.
always about 2 rods thanks to your advertisement.
Guys. It's so amazing. Like, it's so amazing.
3 doors.
Guys.
Tell you what store? Yeah.
Guys.
One. He's currently building a Colt Special, a radial engine version of a steam skyboat biplane. He hopes to be doing aerobatic routines in his Colt Special before too long.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start this video.
50-foot level.